Hey everyone, so I made some changes to my welding cart. I added a holder for my tin snips, for my pry bars, for my tire changing bars for small tires, little holders for the cold chisels, pens, and markers and whatnot. And then over here, I added 4 sleeves for my little crowbar and the 4 pry bars. And I added this little bender so I can bend. I put round bar or flat bar up to 3/16 in the slot, jam it in, roll the pipe around, and it'll bend it completely around to a 180-degree turn. Just a few more things to make my life a little bit easier. I think that's everything I've done. Very convenient. Everything is right at my fingertips. Anyway, I'm happy with it. Later.